Day 7, which means that I'm getting out of here in a little over 3 hours. We get one final meal before we leave. It's only like 11:15, but they've just delivered lunch, which today is some sushi and salt and vinegar crisps. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for a bit because I'm not leaving for another hour and I pretty much only just ate breakfast. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm just waiting in a holding pattern. I have my luggage all packed. I even have my shoes on, ready to go. So far, no call to come down and like check out. My parents are waiting outside and they said that there are 4 buses there. 2 have left already, so I think I have to wait for the other 2 to go. Because what they do, you know, I landed in Auckland airport and then we hopped on a 3.5-hour bus ride here to Rotorua. And so they return you, if you want, to Auckland airport, to where you arrived in. So that way, if you were someone who was like coming to stay in Auckland or, you know, around about there, you're back at your point of origin. But it worked out better for me that my parents came down from Tauranga to pick me up and we'll drive on to Wellington to my sister's house. So yeah, they're waiting outside, and because I'm not using the like pre-organized transport, I have to go after all the buses have left. There has been a case out in the community with the Omicron variant from someone who went through MIQ and had their day 9 test, which is the test you have to get after you leave this hotel, but he didn't wait until he got the results back before like leaving self-isolation. So we had a stern email through like reminding us of the rules and that we have to do that, and also saying that because day 9 is going to be New Year's Day when a lot of places will be closed, we can actually get our last test tomorrow if we want. So that's what I'm going to do. I am so ready to be out of here. Hello. Hi. Sure am. Nope. Great, see you soon. Thanks. Yes, let's go. Goodbye, room. I will not miss you. Can see her. There she is. Oh my god. That right there was my room. Well friends, I made it. I am free. I'm out of MIQ. I'm here at my sister's house with her cat, Subi. You gonna show your face, not just your butt? Thanks for coming along with me on this daily vlog journey that I was on. It was fun to be able to talk to you all in the comments throughout, and yeah, obviously really appreciate your company throughout this time. Now I have to do 3 days in home isolation, and my whole family are also self-isolating with me. We've ordered in food and everything, and we're just gonna hang around the house for the next 3 days. Whoa. That was Subi scratching herself on the camera. Gotta wait until I get a negative result from the test that I will take today. Actually, today is day 8, but yeah, day 9 is New Year's Day, so they said I can do it a day early. It already feels like a bit of a dream, honestly, to have gone through MIQ, but yeah, I'm pleased to have made it outside with my mental health intact and no positive COVID tests. This will be the last daily vlog in the series, but I will be doing more vlogs in general this year throughout 2022, including some from working remotely here in New Zealand, so please subscribe if you're not already and you want to see that. I'd love to have you stick around, even though I'm sure future vlogs won't be as dramatic. You know, there'll be no people complaining about food and isolation, and I won't be stuck inside having supervised outdoor time, but you'll still get to see my life working remotely as a creative director and as a designer. So yeah, stick around if that sounds good to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in future videos. Bye.